Thank you for joining us on VEM TV. My name is House Bennett, and today we have Clifftwang and his wife Priscilla. Thank you for being here. So, Clifton, how do you feel about your recent success as a YouTube superstar?
Well, sir, as let me tell you the truth. When we go back to our community, the people never laugh for we. I've been alive. We tell them, we mash up the CD them. And call me name. And I call me boss and sim. And I call me all call name. I'm in alive, sir.
It's okay, sir. It's okay, sir. You know, with fame sometimes, things can be a little bit bothersome. But I'm sure you'll get used to it. So, Priscilla, how do you feel about your husband's recent success and everything that's happening to him?
Thanks, sir. Well, when me see my husband keep on TV, me say, Lord, my husband pretty pretty. But I say, how if on the side way? Yes, man. Me see my husband in a jumpsuit and hat. But Lord, he lend me down. Me shame. Me one nice 3/4 J pants see me now. And me say, put on the go up on TV, present and show yourself nice. And sit there, and can't make people laugh after we. What me tell them? And then they sit there and make me like a true. People laugh after me and I call me that. You know, hear me talk nice. Sir, we got to sit in the family country.
Yeah, sure, you can go ahead.
Hello, family country. When you can't see me, me there for a radio. Granny, you look. Yes, Granny. Mr. Can look for your ear. I'm want to say shout out to all my family them in the grass piece. We soon can look for no, me town star. See there, look up in the sky and we see me another time.
So, Clifton, are you getting financial gains out of this? What are you doing?
Well, me don't want nothing out of this, you know. Me don't want nothing. Me mad. Me cross.
So, Priscilla, you guys have kids? Like, how you guys get along? Like, what's going on?
Yes, man, we have they're pretty. One name Michelle, one name Little, and one name Mitella. No, that's a Rickela, yeah, Rickela.
Oh, so all of them get the name from you. Oh, I'm sure they look like you as well.
Yes, sir. All of them people, me now want they look like they ugly poopa. You shame we.
Thank you for joining.